Hello everyone. Welcome to Coderythm. Today we are gonna see how to generate random password according to the password length given by user. So, let's get started. First, import necessary libraries like string and random. In this case, string library will be used for string operations, whereas random will be used for random function. Password is a collection of different characters. So in this step we will initialize string variables s1, s2, s3 and s4. s1 has lowercase characters, s2 has uppercase characters, s3 contains digits, whereas s4 has a set of special characters. Then tell the user to input the password length. Declare a list naming s. Now we will take characters of string variables one by one and append it to the end of list s by using extend function. Hence list s will contain all unique elements. Random.sample will generate a password that will be returned in a form of a list. To display the password in the original form, join method is used to remove commas in a list. Now we will test the program. Yes, it's working. I hope you all liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and meet you in next video.